Well, I'm working on it again. I got the head on. Got the starter back on where it was. Got a battery in the toolbox. But the battery box is even worse shape. Need a new bottom in the boxes. And ooh, kind of warm. I don't know where you see it or not, but it's got spark. Seems to be in the right order too. Now I gotta put the carburetor on and get my little lawnmower gas tank. See what happens. Forgot to put the hose on. That ain't no good anyhow, so I gotta go find a 2-inch hose someplace. Alright, that's all for now. Last night I went out in the old school bus, get the parts that I took off this thing. Had a bunch of carburetors and different things, and in piles. Not a heck of a time finding anything. Then I picked this one up. Look at there. I marked it when I put it away. And Magneta, I wrote on it too. That made me feel good that I know that's getting the right one. That's all. That's kind of yucky. Looks like I got some work to do cleaning it up. Well, so much for that. I broke a piece. I'll put this on hold and do some substitution. That's all for now. Alright, I'm back on the old Centaur. I wasted most of the day trying to clean out that one carburetor. Then I broke a piece. I found another. It was about halfway decent size-wise and everything. And, oh, it was gummy as can be, but I got it almost cleaned out partially. I had this thing running a minute ago, sorta. That old junk head gasket isn't holding, and it was kind of running on 1 or 2 cylinders, and it was blowing exhaust out the water pipe that I don't have hooked up yet. But I got good spark, and I'm going to try it again and see whether it'll run a little, and then I'm going to have to put it aside for a while until we can get a head gasket made somewhere, or find where we can buy one. A friend of mine says he knows a place where you can get custom head gaskets made in China or Taiwan or someplace. So we'll probably have to go that way. So yeah, I'll just put the camera down here and see where anything happens. That hose don't belong on exhaust. Oh, the top hose ain't no good. Alright, well. Oops. Yeah, we'll stop him. There, the camera won't fall over now. Let's see how that lines up. Oh. Oh, that's halfway decent. That's enough. It's trying. Yeah, we'll park it and we'll go on and do something else now. I'll put it away so it don't go bad again. See, the exhaust coming out the water pipe. That must mean it's got a bad head gasket. Okay, that's all for now. I gotta go get the truck and trailer hooked up, go down to the auction, see what else I can buy to play with. Okay, bye. Well, I guess I can't work miracles on everything, especially without any parts. Yeah, got it put back together, sorta. There was a fella wanted to buy this thing from me when it was all stuck and no count. You reckon he might still take it when it don't run so good? I don't know, we'll find out.